And to find the shortest distance, you see, you take one point over here and another point over there. You want to find the perpendicular distance. Okay. That is the shortest distance between these two lines. Let me show this is 90 degree and this is also 90 degree. Now, since first line is already given in which form is this? Parametric form. We can change the second one is also in parametric form. How can we write the second line? See, can I say X? Let each one of this is equal to S. Okay. So I can say the second line as X is equal to S, Y is equal to S, and Z is also is equal to S. Is it understood? So if A is any point on the first line and B is a point on second line, your point B, X comma Y comma Z, each one is equal to S. So your B is S comma S comma S. And you can also write point A, you see, it's given up here. Let me write it here. It's 1 plus 2t, comma, negative t, and comma, 2 plus 3t. So these are the general point on both the lines. So any point A on the first line would be in this form for some value of t, and any point on B would be in this form for some value of S. T and S are some real number, okay? Now, to find the shortest distance, we'll find AB, and then we'll find the modulus of that AB. And you know that AB vector, whatever it will be perpendicular to both the direction vectors. Can I find the direction vector of the first line here? That's very easy to find the direction vector of the first line. And as you see these, just find the coefficient of these t here. The coefficient of the t are 2, -1, and +3. 2, -1, 3. I mean, before finding AB, let me find the direction vector of first line. And let us say this is V. This is a vector V. So you can write V, that is the direction vector of the first line. 2, -1, 3, all right? And we would also like to find another direction vector for the second line, which is here. Let's say that is W. And we can say our W should be coefficient of S, 1, 1, 1. Is that so? 1, 1, 1. So that is the direction vector of the second line. Once you know V and W, you can find V cross W, because then later on you are going to say that AB would be parallel to V cross W, because the shortest distance, see, V cross W means we want to find a vector which is perpendicular to both first line and the second line. Okay, so V cross W, and our shortest distance is also perpendicular to both lines. And that means AB vector and V cross B would be parallel. So that concept we are going to use. Let's find V cross W first. For that, we write I, J, K, and the coefficient here, 2, -1, 3, and up here 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So to solve this, I'll say I times, take away row and column. So you have -1, 3, 1, 1, minus J times, take away the row and column of J. So this and this is taken away. You get 2, 3, 1, 1. 2, 3, 1, 1 plus K times, take away row and column of K. You have 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1, 1. All right. Now, you would like to Find this value, which is equal to V cross W is equal to I time -1 minus 3. So I time -1 minus 3. This time this time this, always. Minus J 2 time 1, which is 2 minus 3. And plus K 2 time 1 is 2 minus of -1, that is +1. Okay, so V cross W is coming out minus 4I minus minus is plus J and plus 3K. All right, so this is V cross W. Next, what we want to say, let's go up there, and we want to say that AB vector is parallel to V cross W. Let's say it here. Okay. What we are saying is, we are saying our AB vector is parallel means K time, K is some real number, K time V cross W. V and W are vector and V cross W we have found. Okay. How do we find AB vector? You are given the coordinate of A and B here. So AB means B minus A. This is, so your AB vector should be, B is S minus 1 minus 2t. Then for Y coordinate, S minus t, that will become S plus t. And for Z, S minus 2 minus 3t. Okay, that is your AB vector is K times, and V cross W is here. You see it here? What is V cross W? Negative 4I plus J plus 3K. Let me write here. K time negative 4I. So I can write it here. Negative 4, 1, 3. K time negative 4, 1, 3. This vector can be written like this. Now we will get three equations here. First one is S minus 1 minus 2t is equal to negative 4k, equation 1. Then I'll get S plus t is equal to k, equation 2. And S minus 2 minus 3t equal to 3k. So we would like to solve these three equations. In place of k, we can write S plus t, you see here. K can be replaced by S plus t. So that's what I'm going to do in equation 1 and 3. So this implies S minus 1 minus 2t minus 4 times S plus t. So that is minus 4S minus 4t. This implies, take S one side, so you have 5 times S minus minus will become plus 2t is equal to 1. Let's say this is equation number 4. We would like to get one more equation by taking here value of k, means we want to write S minus 2 minus 3t is equal to 3 times S plus 3 times t. In place of k here, I write S plus t. Now, this will give you S minus 2s, 3s, isn't it? Which is 2s, and minus 60 is equal to 2. Let's say this is equation number 5. We want to solve 4 and 5 now. To solve 4 and 5, this is 2s, 60. I can multiply this equation by 3 and then add with equation 5. Okay. Multiplying by 3 will give you 15 times s plus 60 equal to 3. And writing this equation as it is, 2s minus 60 is equal to 2. Now, adding this, we get some moment. This is minus 60, 2s minus, what do you get? All right, 15s plus 60 equal to 3. And this is negative 2s, isn't it? There is some error. This is negative 2s. Negative 2s, negative 60 is equal to 2. All right, let me correct it. Negative 2s. So this will get cancelled. So I have 13s is equal to 3 plus 2 is 5. So I get s is equal to 5 over 13. Now s is equal to 5 over 13. You can take up here in, say, equation number 4, which says 5s plus 2t equal to 1. So from equation number 4, which is 5s plus 2t equal to 1. So 5 times s is, you can see here, s was 5 by 13. 5 times 5 by 13 plus 2t is equal to 1. 25 by 13. So you have 2t is equal to 1 minus 25 by 13. So that will give you 2t is equal to 13 minus 12 by 13. So you get t is equal to minus 6 by 13. I would strongly recommend, while you are learning this now, you should write also, because then all the things will be there in front of you. You'll not, you will be, I mean, it would be easier for you to link things together. So you get the value of s and t. Once you get the value of s and t, what you are going to do? You are going to find a vector AB. See, look, S is 5 by 13 and T is minus 6 by 13. So we are ready to go. AB, where is our AB vector? Here it is. Okay. AB was K time this. Let us find AB. I mean, can I write it here? So your AB vector. Wait. I can say my AB vector, which is given here, in place of s, taking s as 6 by 5 and was s was 5 by 13, right? I'll find AB for s is equal to 5 by 13 and t equal to negative 6 by 13. So the AB vector is going to be, s means 5 over 13 minus 1 minus 2 times minus 6 by 13. 2 times minus 6 by 13. So can I write it together in place of this? Plus 12 by 13. Makes sense? So this is plus 12 by 13. Okay. And the s plus t means 6 by 13. S is 5 by 13. I'm sorry. 5 by 13 plus minus 6 by 13. So this. And again, this one is 5 by 13 minus 2 and 6 is 18 by 13. That should be positive, isn't it? Negative times negative is positive. So you get the AB vectors very easily. So your AB vector is 5 plus 12 is 17 by 13 minus 13. Okay. 17 minus 13 should be 4 by 13. And this is negative 1 by 13. And let's calculate this also. 5 plus 18 should be 23. And 23 minus 26. That is negative 3 by 13. So I get my AV vector as this. All right. Now, once you know the AV vector, you also know that the shortest distance is mod of AV. So we are going to calculate that. Mod of vector AV is equal to square of these numbers, right? Which is 4 by 13 square plus 1 by 13. That is negative in fact, but square will make it positive. And plus negative 3 by 13 and the square of this number as well. Since we are interested in finding this only, this is what we were asked. So this is going to be square root of 4 by 13 means 16 by 169 plus 1 by 169 and plus 9 over 169. As you see, the denominator is 169. You getting it? Right. Please write also, all together. 16 plus 10 is 26. So this comes out to be square root of 26 divided by 13. That is square root of 26 by 13. So this is the shortest distance between the given lines. Okay.